Hi Brock, this is the 2009 Blue SS Commodore that you inquired about. What I'm going to do is just shoot you a quick video today just to give you a rundown of what the vehicle offers and all the different features. As you can see, the bodywork and the paint is quite immaculate. It's very bright and vibrant. You also see, as we open the door here inside the vehicle, the leather is very well maintained, and the rest of the interior is very well maintained as well. Same with the dash. The vehicle will have reverse park sensors and also the ability to take phone calls through Bluetooth as well. And then around the front here, what I'm going to do is just show you the tread on the tyres. As I was saying, you'll see that there's plenty of tread in the tyres, so not an issue there. As well as also just sort of show you the engine bay and how well maintained the vehicle actually is. It's very clean under there. There's no oil residue on the top, and it's been very well looked after. Now I'm just going to show you a few stone chips that are actually on the bonnet. There's not many, it's just a couple little ones around the front here, another little one there, and then there's a couple just over here, in here respectively. So these are things that we can all get touched up. Yet again, as I was saying before, plenty of tread on the tyres, so that won't be an issue at all. And then just showing you the inside of the interior here on this side. As I was saying, as you can see, it's very clean, well maintained. There's no sort of ding marks on the side of the doors or anything else. Also, as I was saying previously, the vehicle was purchased in New South Wales as a private owner from Hawkesbury Valley Holden. And you'll see that all the services have been done. Maybe at Kmart as well. Actually, a few at Kmart. And then the most recent one was done at 115,000 k's down at Motors. So the car's done 121,000 k's now. Yet again, as I was saying, just a few little marks that we can get pencil touched up. So nothing too bad. And like I was saying, just a little bit of gravel gutter rash on the rear rim, so it's just something that sort of comes with everyday driving. Yet again, the interior is really neat and well maintained. And then what you'll have down here is just a few little marks which we can get touched up, basically from obviously people just putting stuff in the boot, as well as having reverse sensors on the back. And then I'll just show you in the back here, really neat. And then the spare tyre is just in the back here. So the spare is there. No worries, Brock. That's pretty much the summary of the Commodore. If you have any questions, just let me know. You've got my number and we can go from there. Have a nice day. Bye.